You gonna start this one? What's up YouTube? It's your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video. Today we are working on the Honda Fit and we're gonna do some cosmetic mods. We're doing the JDM clear taillights and some Mugen visors. Let's get into it. I'm super hyped. Here's my 09 Honda Fit. What we're gonna do is change out these taillights to the JDM clears. And then we're gonna add the Mugen rain visors, or the not authentic ones, but the, you know, the reps. These are the Mugen visors. I picked these up from garage16.ca, but the taillights, which haven't opened yet, but it's in this fancy stepper nice day box, which I really hope once I open, they're the actual taillights and not the stepper, came from eBay, because that's the only place I can find them. Funny enough, I bought these before I bought the car, because I'm stupid. And then that is the bumper, the sport bumper and sport side skirts that we're going to be putting on. Not in this episode, but there's a little preview to a future episode. So let's open this up, check it out. Visors are super easy to do, but these should be pretty easy also, looking at it, but let's get into it. Alex is here. He's rocking the OG Lowpes sweater. Remember guys, all these OG Lowpes sweaters, once are gone, they are discontinued. If you want to grab them, streetlegacy.ca. all the Lowpes stuff will be discontinued. We can see Alex tackling it already. So what you can do is take this cover off with a flat head, and it's super easy. And behind here, I'm certain there's a few bolts, right?
So far I see 3.
10 mils, I'm assuming.
8.
8 10 mils?
8.
8 10 mils?
No, as in 8 mil. 3 8 mil.
I know, I was listening. 10? Yeah, so there's gonna be 3 8 mils in the back, which actually kind of makes sense now. And I think they're just gonna pop out. I think this is a super easy install. Crocs, hey, talk shit about Crocs, but look, he bought insulated ones for winter.
Mine.
He bought insulated ones for winter.
Mine.
Yeah.
They're stolen, buddy. They're not mine. You wish.
So there's 3 8 mils back there, and I think it's just as easy as pushing it out, but we're definitely going to see.
Just as easy as pushing it out, buddy.
Wow, look how easy that is. Before we start doing this, we should probably open this, no?
Yeah, because what happens if it's one of those?
He's absolutely fine, my dog. He just craves attention like his mother. All right, open this up, Vanna White.
Hey,
it's the dun dun dun. We don't even know if they're, so these are obviously used, so I don't know if they're cracked. Anything. I don't know what's going on.
From where?
Japan, China. Wow, bro. No offense to Chinese people. These are Japanese ones. These came from Japan. I want to see them in comparison with these guys. Well, let's hope they're in good condition, because the photos showed great condition. It's just we don't know, obviously, until we get into it. Oh, nice. You got the right one too. Well,
of course I did, bud.
Let's just put them side by side. So check that out. These are the JDM clears, and these are the OEM ones. As you can see, these are completely clear. They have a nice little design up here also, which is the reverse, maybe? I don't know. We're gonna figure it out once we actually turn them on.
Where are they? LED?
LED? I don't know if they're LEDs. I think they're actual just plug and play. So we'll have.
They look like LEDs.
Oh, we're gonna find out. So they actually look pretty cool. My vision with these, you guys will see afterwards.
Your vision?
Yeah, I have visions with cars, you know. I'm like, visions? You ever watch That's So Raven, you know, when she has visions?
スペシャリストジーズが手掛けるフィットがエントリー。コンパクト対決では下級機組の後陣を排したジェイズフィットだが、今回は後付け下級機禁止のイコールコンディション。
Where did you buy these from? China?
Hey man, Japan. That's JDM, bro. That's JDM.
Roll, right? Does e-brake work?
What?
Does e-brake work? So what?
We'll find out.
My fat ass thing in there.
No, I already did some e-brake drifts, so I think we're good.
Did you?
Yeah. The video is actually out right now.
Alex,
12 o'clock.
my e-brake cable's busted, man.
Hey, I had to see what the fit was all about. Now we're looking at them side by side as Alex is just kind of mounting them there. I was gonna see. I didn't even expect Alex over. I was gonna do this all by myself.
The unexpected, buddy.
Wow. Wow. Look at that.
Makes your life easier to record, doesn't it?
It does, because like. But like, I can technically do this, but
of course you can.
It's easy stuff.
See, if you couldn't do this,
I shouldn't have a YouTube channel. Quit it. If I can't do this,
if
that's
you
done.
Put a tail light in,
at my stage of a YouTube channel, but if you're just learning, this is why we're here. Very simple stuff.
Yeah, if you're just learning, it's whatever.
But like I've been at this for a while, and I work at a shop that's all aftermarket Honda parts. So, ooh, Alex,
What?
I like them. You like the HKS axle back? It's pretty nice, eh? Gives a little
I would
bump.
leave it. I would,
Yeah.
probably wouldn't change it.
I don't think so.
Because it's a good exhaust.
Yeah, HKS. The only thing I would change it for is either Spoon or a Jay's Racing one. You know
For
what?
some reason, it feels like a fucking Euro taillight.
These are the.
Technically, it is.
But these are OEM.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
But it looks like one of those Euro ones. But like once my vision ideally is either black wheels with white tire writing or white wheels. So it'll kind of like flow all together afterwards, right? So right now we're kind of just getting, ideas, but I like them. I'm okay. I like him. I definitely have to take that Get No Honda out of there because that's cheesing me a little bit. But
I don't know, it's got growing.
oh yeah, not loving it right now.
Not really.
So-
It looks like it's like a flea market taillight, man.
But it's not. See,
I know it's not. I know it's not. That's the thing. Maybe you gotta see it like light up or something. I don't know. I don't know.
not bad. I actually like it. Usually mods like this I don't like right away either, and it kind of takes me a little bit to grow to, but like I've already envisioned this, and I think on black it looks very nice. It kind of plays off the chrome emblems, the silver wheels, and like all that. So I personally like it so far. I think he'll get used to it, but
What do you need?
what do I need?
Fresh taillights. I mean headlights.
Oh, fresh headlights for sure. That's the plan. I'm gonna try buffing them out, but for me to get the JDM headlights, from my knowledge, I need the whole JDM front end because these are absolutely wrecked. Yeah. So I'm just gonna get fresh headlights, and maybe if I can get ones without the amber, that'd be nice. So keep it all clear.
No?
But yeah, and obviously we have the sport bumper there. But this is growing on me. So what we're gonna do is pop the cover off, which is right here. Alex is doing the opposing side now, and we're just gonna plug it in and make sure everything works. But it should work. But yeah, I'm gonna plug everything in and bolt it down, make sure all these lights are operational. So we have two of the correct sides in here. I just want to say to the shipper over here, good job unwrapping these guys. You did a fantabulous job.
To the shipper over here, good job unwrapping these guys. You did a fantabulous job.
It was cracked.
Is it?
Not the lens, thank God.
What's cracked? Seller. You were about to get a 5. Now that's a 4, dude. Are you starting to like the Honda Fit a little more now? You starting to like the Honda Fit a little more now?
They're not bad.
Not bad. We're gonna make Alex. We're gonna convert him. There's a lot of people like Alex that really don't like Honda Fits. I'm not gonna lie. It's growing on me too. It wasn't my first pick. I love all you.
I never said I hated them.
Just it was never on my radar for a long time.
You know what? For the space, it's actually.
But yeah, for having a hatchback and the amount of space, like I carried bumpers, side skirts with lots of space still to go, right? Like this is an abundant amount of space. It's actually, with the seats down, it's just as spacious, I think, as my CRV, which is funny enough, because the CRVs, the RD1s aren't super long. But yeah, this is making me like a hot boy now, Alex. Hot boy gang.
Okay.
Cool. So this came loose.
Yeah, I noticed that.
My mud flap is broken and the clip's broke, so I got this off Amazon, and this is one of the best kits I think I've bought yet, because look at that. See, got my replacement right there. Bought this for around 30 bucks. I'll link it down below. I think I got it off Amazon, got it within, I don't know, days, and it comes with all the clips that you need, and I've had this for years now, and I continue using this box. Really good investment. Check it out. Fixed and good to go. Don't know how that came off, but it did. You're jumping the gun, bud. We haven't even tested them yet.
Because I know they're gonna work.
Okay, all right. Bulbs from Japan are gonna work.
Confident.
All right, this is a vibe. Little snowflakes coming down. The Fit. Your foot on the brake. Okay, that's like you're running in brakes, the top ones, which is sick. Signal, nice. Left works. How about right? Right works. Now, I guess turn on the car and put it in reverse.
Does it work or no?
Yeah, reverse works too. 4-ways on. These look absolutely dope. I am so happy with how this came out. A little piece of the puzzle. Now what we're gonna do is the visors. I'd advise doing the visors on a warmer day. But what we're gonna do is stick them and clean this area up. I washed the car already. We're just gonna wipe it down a little bit and just stick them and hope they stick. Ideally, the best thing to do is heat it up with a heat gun or a blow dryer. But we're gonna see how the adhesive is. If it's having troubles, then we will do it. Alright guys, there it is. Check out the Mugen visors. It actually looks really good. I do enjoy them. I cannot wait to lower this car though. I think once it's lowered, all these lines will look a lot better. Right now it looks pretty minivan styles, but it looks pretty damn good. I'm super happy with how these came out. If I can get my hands on authentic ones eventually, I'll grab them, but just for now I love using window visors during the winter so I can crack the window and pretty much, you know, get some breeze in without getting some rain. But there it is. Window visors are on. Taillights are in. I absolutely love the taillights. Love the taillights. They look absolutely awesome with that HKS exhaust right there. Check that out. That's just a good combination. You cannot go wrong. That is just a good combo. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Check out streetlegacy.ca. grab some merch, support the brand, support the cause. I love you guys. Do it once, do it right, like, comment, subscribe, and later.